Judge.
Mr. Nichols, what's the state's position?
Judge, he's accused of breaking into his own home after he'd been kicked out. And when his father tried to push him out the window that he broke in through, he grabbed a knife and stabbed him. I think 150 is appropriate in this situation, Judge.
This 21-year-old broke into his own home, but when his father tried to push him out the window, things took a terrifying turn asterisk.
Good morning. Are you Jamon Adams?
Yes, ma'am.
This is 26 DCCR 0744. It looks like Mr. Adams is charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, and Mr. Rojas has filed a motion asking that I reduce the bond currently set at 150,000. Is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Mr. Adams, the best you can, raise your right hand, please, sir. Do you swear?
Okay.
Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're going to give in this hearing will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Thank you. Go ahead, Mr. Rojas.
Jamon, how old are you?
21,
Where are you originally from?
Houston.
Okay, but when this incident happened, you were living here in town with your dad?
Yes, sir.
And your dad's the victim, is complaining witness in this case, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How long have you been in jail?
Since April 8th.
And the only other person other than your father that can realistically help you with this is your mom, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and your mom, you've talked with her and you've talked to she's unable to make a bond of $150,000.
No, sir.
Okay. Do you own any property that you could sell, a house, a car, a land? Do you have a bank account in your name?
Yes, sir.
Do you know approximately how much money is in that account?
Probably zero, maybe in the negative.
Okay. This is, again, you're 17 years old. This is the very first time you've been arrested, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Your mom's gonna help you out with the bond if we can get it lowered, and actually, I think maybe an aunt. He said maybe there's an aunt out there that can help her.
Yes.
Okay. Are you married?
No, sir.
Do you have any kids?
No, sir.
Okay, so it's just you.
Just me.
So if you're able to make a bond, like I said, before this, you were living with your dad. What's your plan? If the judge will let you, you want to go to live with your mom in Austin?
Yeah, so I will go to Austin. I already have a job lined up for myself. She's holding it down for me right now. She's also working to get her own apartment so that I can go move in with her, I can start working and continue back on my plan to get back in school.
Okay, and you say get back in school. Was that in high school?
No,
Okay, where were you going to college at?
hardly ever leave from university. It's in San Antonio.
Okay. And once you're able to get this all behind you, that's your plan to get back into college.
Yes.
All right. That's what it's doing.
Just so we're clear, you're 21 years old, right? Not 17. I think that was a misstatement.
Yes.
Okay.
21, yes.
Apologize. Did I say that?
I think you said 17.
Okay.
I know it's an error.
Right.
I have another question, Joe.
Okay. Any other witnesses?
No, Judge.
Mr. Nichols, what's the state's position?
Judge, he's accused of breaking into his own home after he'd been kicked out. And when his father tried to push him out the window that he broke in through, he grabbed a knife and stabbed him. I think 150 is appropriate in this situation, Judge.
And for the record, I am taking judicial notice of the court's file. It includes the probable cause affidavit. If you'll give me just a second, let me so you said you would be going to Austin if you make bond, no matter what that is, and living with your mom. Is that correct?
Yes.
But that she would be getting her own place. Where does she live now?
I believe it's one of those homes where she's pays for that space.
Okay.
I believe the money she's paying there, she can also pay for an apartment. So that's what she's doing while working both jobs.
And what's the job that you would have?
I would have the IHOP job. That's her second job. That's the job that I will be going to.
When's the last time you were in school?
I believe in May of 2024. That's when I left college. I can keep up the $40,000 on that.
Speak up.
I said I cannot keep up the $40,000 on my own for tuition.
Any history that you can?
Minor juvenile, I think an arrest and a non-suit out of Harris County for murdering a juvenile, but nothing else, right?
All right, so what I'm gonna do, Mr. Adams, I'm going to grant the motion. I'm going to reduce your bond to $100,000. Condition of that bond, if you make it, is going to be that you obviously have absolutely no contact, no communication with David Keys. You will be ordered to wear a GPS monitoring device. You will be allowed to live in Austin with your mom. You would have to get that address before you go to your attorney or to your bondsman. And also obviously not be anywhere near the residence at 1970 Ave Street. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
No contact and no communication means none. That not sending messages obviously means in person, but it also means sending any type of messages yourself or through anybody else or anything like that. You understand?
Yes, ma'am. I have no intentions.
And we'll reset it for an announcement. All right, you can go back with the bailiff.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Asterisk stabbing his own father over a family dispute. Tried to get his $150,000 bond reduced. Watch the full trial to see the judge's final decision on his freedom.